busy here fighting foreign nationals. White people are out there recruiting white people to come to South Africa. They open home affairs everywhere in the world except in Africa. They mentioned on Parliament that they're gonna open home affairs everywhere, and they mentioned Netherlands. They mentioned all these other countries, North America. It's operating now in July, and they say they're gonna make IDs and passport for South Africans who are living abroad. You know what they are trying to do? They are recruiting as many white people as possible from abroad to come and occupy South Africa. And they're funding all these movements, like the Dula movement. They're funding it. They're funding this whole corruption saga that is happening, because they want you to focus on that while they are busy recruiting people out there. And that thing takes 5 days. Turnaround time of it is 5 days. 5 days. So they are recruiting as many as possible white people. So when they enter South Africa, they want to enter with ready-made passport and ready-made IDs, which means they will identify as South Africans. And it's going to be influx of those people coming here in the next couple of months. And when you are busy fighting your brother from Zimbabwe, from Mozambique, because if they want to register the undocumented foreign nationals, they can. But you know what? They're opening IDs and passport for their friends so that they can come here. Because if you are South African citizens and you are abroad, how come you don't have an ID? How come you don't have a passport? How come? You don't have an ID and you don't have a passport and you are living anywhere outside Africa. What about African who are living in Nigeria, who are South Africans? You are starting outside the continent. It's white people. They are coming. But now you are there defending clinics and all that garbage, following the mandate of people who are bored. Open your eyes, black people. Open your eyes.
Oh yeah. I can't do anything. This article was on the 18th of July this year. In the government, you can get it in government website. The Minister of Home Affairs, Dr. Leon Schreiber, is proud to announce the rollout of game-changing new Home Affairs Service Center abroad that will deliver dignity to South Africans living abroad, who have often waited 12 to 18 months just to obtain a new passport. Okay. Through the opening of these new service centers, access is being expanded and turnaround times have been cut to just 5 weeks. Minister Schreiber launched the first 2 service centers in Australia this week, in Sydney and Melbourne, with another set to open in Perth by the end of September. 2 centers also went live this week in Auckland and Wellington, New Zealand. Okay. This is in addition to the service center in London, UK, which is already operational. Over the coming months, the Department of Home Affairs will open additional service centers in the United Arab Emirates and China, followed by France, Germany, and the Netherlands later this year, and North America in the new year. A further announcement will follow in due course when these service centers open their doors, while the department's ultimate aim is to deliver home affairs at home by making our services available online all around the world. The opening of service centers around the world brings immediate relief to South African citizens living in other countries. Ayike injalo. Ngicabanga ukuthi sizwile ke ivideo yensizwa le yaseqaleni. Nayi problem. Ubuzile lapha ukuthi why macatshangelwa abantu base-South Africa kuyiwa emazweni aphesheya anabelungu. What about i-Africa? Akukho ngisho lodwa izwe lase-Africa kulamazwe amenshiniwe la. But South Africa is in Africa. Kodwa kwenzelwa lula abantu base-South Africa abasemazweni aphesheya. Exactly. Umbuzo uthi labo bantu abalapho kwenzeka kanjani bangabi nawo ama-ID nama-passport kodwa bephesheya kwilwandle? Akufani naseZimbabwe la sothi mhlambe ke uwele ucingo ngokwenzakaleni, uwele ulwandle lwamuntu khona ama-embassy phesheya njengawo wonke amazwe ase-Africa. Yini inkinga kuyeni kuma-embassy?
And akuzona iy'ndawo leziya abakhuluma ngazo okulula ukuthi ufike kuzona. Uku-aplya nje ivisa yakulezo y'ndawo, uku-aplya nje i-passport akulula, awufiki kuleziya y'ndawo kalula. Letha lona ungena ID na kanjani, ufika kanjani lapha ungena ID to a point whereby kumele kuze kwakhiwe i-Home Affairs khona. Awuyeke-ke indaba ye-Africa la-ke sikhona-ke njengamanje mangaka ama-Home Affairs esinawo ufikeka kalula yini kuwona, ngoba kwawona kufike kalula uthi uyabhukha kuthiwa kugcwele inyanga yonke, kuthiwa kugcwele, iphinde ivule ama-slots kuphinde kuthiwe kugcwele. Kwawona-ke lawa la why kungenzelwa thina esikhona la ukuthi kube lula? Kuyimanje kuney'ngane ezingena ama-ID ekuthiwa ziye kuma-primary azo ziyofuna iy'ncwadi, kuthiwa wafunda e-primary ethile, usuke kuleyo primary kuthiwa hambe i-high school uyofuna incwadi, kuthiwa hambe uye kumfundisi owusontakeni usamncane. Yini leyo? I-nonsense, inhloboni ye-nonsense le ukuthi uma ufuna i-ID yakho into ekuyi-right kuwena, kodwa fanele kuntantiswe izwe lonke. Kodwa bakwazi ukuthi bakwakha ama-Home Affairs kwamanye amazwe ukuze kube lula ukushaya ama-ID. But thina esila kukho yini ukuthi uthole i-ID?
Siyastaglisha.
Kunabantu namhlanje ongena certificate, ongena ID, akatholi grant, akatholi nothing, bursary, nothing, uyilutho, akakwazi kwenza lutho ngoba akana ID, akanalutho. Walahlekelwa abazali bakhe, akukho umuntu ozomsiza athole i-ID. Kumele ayiswe from pillar to post ukuthi nje athole i-ID. Even onesitifiketi akakwazi ukuthola i-ID. Uthi uyafika e-Home Affairs kunomuntu oshare i-ID yakho naye, you are sharing the same ID number. Unga-understand ukuthi kanjani i-ID number owazalwa naye isitifiketini sakho, but you are sharing it with someone else ozalwe ngemuva kwakho, but yena u-right, u-perfect yakhe impilo. Wena osekufanele uqaliswe phansi manje impilo yakhe isimile, but le ID number kuyabonakala ukuthi kwabe yakho kuqala. Kodwa kunamhlanje kunama-Home Affairs akhiwe kwamanye amazwe ukuze kube lula kubona. Ikubona kumele kube lula kubona, thina esila kumelanga kube lula kuthina. Niyayibona lento le kahle yakhelwe obana, yakhelwa ngama-South Africans lento.
Cabanga i-Australia. Yebo mfowethu, sikhuluma Australia la, Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Australia, amadolobha awu-3 lawo ase-Australia azoba nama-Home Affairs ase-South Africa. Kodwa thina sisenkingeni nje, hambe lapha eTB Station uzobona kwenzakalani lapha. Uzobona ngempela le government iseva bani? Yeyo bani le government?
Definitely not South Africans. For sure not South Africans.
Uyabona nje bonke labantu nje babeza nje baflada iCape Town, bagcwala iCape Town. Iya kule nto ke yale nto bebeyifuna ke iye ku Cape Town ibe ileyanto lengengizekisho. Lenze esingese sesisho. Kodwa iya lapho. Kuyimanje abantu bayakhishwa eCape Town. Bayaxoshwa kuyimanje. Mangalandela nje ama-video nibuke kahle abantu bayaxoshwa laphayana. And futhi udayisiwe umhlaba. And futhi ke labo bantu nje yobekhishwa akukhishwa belungu. Kukhishwa abantu bakithi. Khishwa amakhaladi, khishwa abantu abamnyama. Iyona nto ke siyizelela. Masingakhumbula ke kuqala ke emva kokhetho lwethu ke kukhethwa ungqongqoshe wezangaphandle. Kwavela ukuthi kwayena ungqongqoshe wezangaphandle akazalelwanga kuleli lizwe.
njengoba sevule
njengoba ke esenze
Ama-Home
nesipiliyoni esingaka ke sokuletha abantu abafana naye ke abalethe kulelizwe abayibala efana nelakhe bese ke kuthiwa ke kuliwa ne-illegal immigration wobanike illegal ngisho ngazi ngibabona belungu kodwa bagcwele makukhulunywa ngabantu abayizela ngokungemthetho already mina nawe nje wasibukana nje usibuka nje ucabanga umuntu omnyama
kuyimanje laba abakhishwayo eCape Town kukhishelwa ukuthi kungene laba abaqhamuka ngaphandle abama-illegal immigrants
exactly
engingafuni ukusho ukuthi baqhamukaphi
exactly
kukhishwa ama-South Africans evicthelwa ukuthi kungene bona bangayizwaphi leyo nto leyo
baseva i-Western Cape ukuthi ihlale irulwa ilila qembu leli ngesilisho leli qembu leliyake linabanikazi bakulela lizwe leliyake lelithwala kaJesu ngoba abangameli bawo mengameli balo nalo uHelen Zille impande zakhe zimkhomba ukuthi na impela cha umJuda abazali bakhe bebaleka uHolocaust ngama-1930s ela uHitler ngale siye ku-Steenhuisen impande zakhe zikhomba ukuthi umJuda siyazi-ke kuwo konke lokade kwenzeka ukuthi bona njengoba kuyindaba seGaza nalela lizwe leliyake elingabizwa kakhulu ukuthi leli qembu lethu-ke le-DA belihambisana nelela lizwe even though ku-analyze abantu ezweni leliya befuna uqeda ngalelo lizwe leli befuna ukwenza ngoba lento abafuna ukwenza kuleli lizwe leli lethu yiliya nto abayenza lapha sebeyasuka-ke bezala-ke
sebezoyenza la bazothunya uphuthu bonke labantu abalapha makubonakala bayagoloza bazothunya uphuthu njengalaba baseGaza
manje bayasilekelela-ke kule nto yethu-ke njengoba singafunani simnyama ukuthi hhayi cha asishaye isitembu impela sibaxoshe abantu bakomakhelwane nayi into ebuhlungu if nike nilandele amazwe lawa akomakhelwane oZambia, Namibia nala amanye azama ukwakha i-alliance bavula lento okuthiwa amabhoda not necessarily ukuthi-ke kuzongenwa ngokungemthetho kodwa bayahwebelana lento ezenza ukuthi kube lula ukuthi usuke kuleli lizwe uvakashele kulela lizwe leliya kuyosebenzisa indaba ye-visa free uyabo lonto kuyosayidinga indaba ye-visa ukuthi uvakashele kulela lizwe thina ngala siyaqinisa ngala siqinisa ubuhlungu siqinisa kubantu bamnyama kubelungu siyaxegisa abelungu bangena kalula la modern ukudlula umuntu waseZimbabwe onayo yonke into yokuzongena kuleli lizwe akakwazi ukungena la okay ngiyazi nabantu bakithi-ke nizojika nithi no laba bazoinvesta ini
bazodla umhlaba
badla umnotho lalani la kubalwe amazwe la o-United Arab Emirates UAE kubalwe amazwe o-China la mazwe sikhuluma ngawo amazwe angenalo igolide not ukuthi abanalo kodwa thina sinemine zegolide bathenga igolide kulamazwe ethu njengoba beza la kuzoba lula-ke kubona ukuthi-ke bathenge le golide kuwo-ke labo zamazama nkosi yami bese behamba nalo kanjalo-ke lingasizi ngisho umnotho walelizwe ubugebengu bodwa lento if ningangena ey'mpandeni zale nto niyibona ukuthi hamba kanjani
and yazi into ebuhlungu labantu bayakwazi ukusiyuza and bakumasterishiye yabo khonto efaneke niyazi ekhaya endlini uma kukhona umzala owaziwayo ukuthi umama wala ekhaya kamthandi ingane engakhulisekile kahle ingane yonakele iyalisebenzisa lelo thuba lelo ukuthi umzala akathandwa la ekhaya so uzokwenza sure ukuthi umzala uhleze emqhatha ngoba uyazi ukuthi akathandwa la ekhaya lo mzala so anoyibuka nani into niyabo lento eyenzike izithi Maponya
yebo
I know ukuthi sensitive kulimala abantu kwafa abantu but yabona mangathiwa yonke into mayenzekile siyayiresearcha yazi ngeke ngize ngithuke mina mangatholakala ukuthi ngelinye ilanga leya nto eyenzeka lapha ayenzekile ngalendlela ekucatshangwa ngayo ngobani vele kuyaziwa ukuthi kunothuli vele lapha olukhona ake sihambeni nathi siyonyathela ukuze lo liyathuli lishunqe kakhulu zixabane zodwa iphitha nibheke phezulu yabo mina ubekuya ngami la eMzansi ngabe lento ekuthiwa amapolitiki political parties nje siyawayeka siwayiyeke ekusukumeni labantu ekuthiwa amasosha ngoba bona banephawu. Kusukume bona, indlebe zabo zihlale phansi, indlebe zabo zigijimela phansi. Uthi makwenzeka into njengale yenzeke laphayana eGoli, yabo nje lento yamateksi, uthola ukuthi ibona bazogijima kuqala ukudlula amaphoyisa. Bafike laphaya bastophishe yonke into benze ipeace. Bese bona ba-investigate as fast as possible ngoba vele they have the materials, they have the resources. Uku-investigate fast ukuthi njengoba nifuna ukuxabana nodwa nje, ngempela labantu abenze lo monakalo ibona endabeni bacabangayo. Ningaze nize niqale nixabane nje kanti mhlambe nizoxabana nodwa nje akubona laba abakwenzile. Ngoba by the time besukuma kwabe sekulate sekuxhiphizwe baboda bakhuluma ukuthi amateksi alala endaweni eyodwa ukuthi kwenze manicabanga nje nake lawo amateksi alala endaweni eyodwa ke mase niwenzi lokho enifuna ukwenza kuwona kuzokwenzakalani. Akuzophethuka even more ilento abayifunayo vele while usibhizi ke ninake niyenza lento eniyenzayo kulawo amateksi eniwacabangayo ngala umhlaba eCape Town uyahamba. Two, angigxeki mina lento yadudula angigxeki, but only if ibizoba fair.
Ingabheki ibale nelodwa.
Yes, vele awafuneki abantu abeza
ngokungemthetho. Kodwa akungabheki ibale lodwa.
Akubheke wonke amabala, akubheke wena China, wena mlungu, wenani, hayi ukuthi kufocus kubantu abamnyama kuphela.
Mazazana imanto hozo yabo lento kuthiwani kuthiwa nebhodleleni ungathatha intuthwane ezimnyama uyifake ngaphansi, uthatha ama red ants ufake ngaphezulu ubusuvala ibhodlela yakubona inkinga. Ohlezi intuthwana ezibovu zihlale kahle phezulu ngaphezulu, ezimnyama hlezi kahle ngaphansi. Uyazi inkinga yoba kuphi? Mama usewuthatha ibhodlela uxukuze kanje, azizubulalana intuthwane ezimnyama azobulala ezibovu zibulala ezimnyama. Why? Because of lo muntu ofika waxukuza ibhodlela. Yithi-ke labo sihlezi ngokuzwana kamnandi, siyinhlanga eziningi, ama-language awu-11 ase-South Africa, but khona lo muntu lwa ungakwazi ukubhenefitha ngokuzwana kwethu. Kuze abhenefithe kumele kuxatshane. Inkathi sina sigxile engxabaneni yethu sithi lo uyabheda kanje siyaxabana thina, yena ngala ubhizi wenza kwakhe. Ngala ubhizi uyadla. Manje kade iza kahle indaba uMkhwanazi wakwazi ukuhlanganisa izwe lonke, walihlanganisa walithi. uMkhwanazi sabona konke ukungcola kwezwe, sabona yonke into, sabona ukuthi ayikhona. Asisukumeni. All of a sudden sesikhuluma ngama-illegal foreigners. All of a sudden iMaponya, hayibo, ngala eMzumbe kutholakale i-uranium. Abantu bakhishwe iy'ncwadi ze-eviction, bayakhishwa emizini yabo. Akukhulunywa ngako lokho. Sinakene nokuxoshana thina, sinakene nokuthi siyabulalana ngala. eCape Town abantu ba-evictwa baxoshwa, ayikhulunywa leyo. Kodwa lezi zethu thina zoxabana kwethu nani zona ihamba phambili ngoba akubhebhetheke kuye phambili. Bantu bakithi abamnyama kusekude phambili.
And khona omunye ke wakhomenta la wathi besingawugxeki, asikade sawugxeka uDudula futhi soze sawugxeka. So shuthi yena uzitshela ukuthi siyawugxeka, wathi niyenzani nina yini eniyenzayo hleli lapho uDudula is doing something. No, vele uDudula is doing something, asugxeki inhlobo. But nathi ukukhuluma kanje siyawenza umehluko kokwethu ukuthi sivusane, siyavusana. I-action yomuntu nomuntu ngeke sizifane. Njengamanje njengoba sivusana nje thina esikhundleni sokuthi size la sizodlala ukuzodlala la sizovusana sama-Africans sisodwa ukuthi asiphaphameni, asiyekeni uNkulunkulu wami ukudistractwa. Siyadistractwa and sidistracteka kalula, into sike sayisho eqaleni. Thina while sidistractwa umhlaba uyahamba. One day siyophaphama singenakhaya.
Lalela ngalena ukukhuluma kwethu kuyagxeka kuthiwa senze something, kodwa lo muntu lo sigxekayo naye angazi ukuthi yini ayenzayo, akenzi lutho. Kungathi nje ngoba siyakhuluma. Okay, yebo na indaba ngala. Uhulumeni wethu ukhiphe i-national dialogue. Akona ukukhuluma lokho. Kuhluke ngana into senza la. Siyafana ngoba abenzi lutho, bayakhuluma nje kulokuthi hayi iyabheda, asiyidingi i-national dialogue. Okusalayo they are buying time ukuthi sikhohlwe izo zonke lezi sinake lama dialogue la ke sinake kulokusiphikisana kanje igcineni mhlaba uyahamba.
Yabona mangase kuthiwe
konakele manje
siyakhohlwa ama-political parties sibeke eceleni. Into
ethi
political party siyibeke eceleni, sihlangane sibe into eyodwa sithi bafethu singenza into ehambayo. Kungashuba bangabuyela emuva nezikhwama zabo kungashuba ngempela amabhanoyi angaphuma engabhukhwanga engakhokhelwanga ngoba ilona nalo yangabe ngene ebhanoyini ebheke kubo
kuyimanje
uma ngathiwa nje siyahlangana
kuyimanje enziwa ama-march in support of Mkhwanazi sebekhohliwe abantu ama-march manje sebenake indaba illegal foreigners angisho ukuthi ayinganakwa then akukho right ukuba sezweni ongemthetho but sikhuluma ngezinto eziyi-priority sibangani yona imisebenzi leyo emincane leyo siyibangayo eyabo futhi abelungu sokwebhana phambi kwabelungu sibanga ukuthi basiqashe okay bengithi uMkhwanazi imashi indaba kaMkhwanazi nangu uLokhuza uGeneral Maphanya uhambile waye Iran kwasinikeza inhlansi yethemba lokhu yibona abantu fangabe siyabasupporta labo ngoba phela ibona abantu abafuna ukulwela izwe kodwa ngeke bakwazi ukusilwela if thina singatshengisi isupport kubona angithi bathi balwela thina shuthi kusasa bazoyisusa lapha abantu bayiqala sithi hayi asingeni so we must support them bonakala impela ukuthi lento abayenzayo siyahambisana nayo kuyimanje uMkhwanazi uyabukeka ngathi usoqala ukuba senkingeni what are we doing ukusupport uMkhwanazi ngcono kona sigcwala ama-platform lesikhulume ukuthi we are supporting Mkhwanazi instead ukuthi silosidudulana sodwa nje ngoba yibona uzosilungisela izwe lokho kuboshwe zonke lezigebengu ezidla imali kahulumeni engabe isiza abantu engabe yakha amathuba omsebenzi umuntu athola ithenda lamabhiliyoni ihambe yonke imali yemntwini oyedwa oyidla nobhululu bakhe kuze kuthinteke ngisho umengameli kuleyo nto leyo thina bese sithi-ke asixoshe umuntu wakamakhelwane qeda umsebenzi la mabhiliyoni ngaba akhe emngakanani umsebenzi
nanokuthi nje asikwazi ukuprioritize as ama-South Africans kuye kuthiwa you need to prioritize uqale nge-step 1 yabo le step esenziwayo njengamanje sokuthi-ke sikhiphe ama-illegal foreigners and what siwakhipha ngoba njengamanje siwakhipha ezweni esiphucwa lona vele kwanathi
siyashodiswa akithi sobulalana silwa sodwa la siyancipha thina siyaxosha nabona aba-eda babo bayaba-eda okubuhlungu asikwazi ukuhlukanisa ngoba bafike bekhuluma English bonke la
lama-home affairs okukhulunywa ngawo ikhona evulo eNigeria
ayikho
ikhona evulo eZimbabwe
ayikho eBotswana ake sikhulume into esimple sinamazwe esiwaziyo ukuthi aba nathi lamazwe emzabalazweni sinamazwe sine-Tanzania la sine-Zambia la sine-Botswana la sine-Angola la akho ngisho home affairs yodwa evule kulawo mazwe mina umuntu waseBotswana ngimthathisi umuntu wangaphandle ngobani sinabatswana nathi la before iBotswana South Africa it was like one country ubuphuma ngala ungene ngala freely iLesotho nayi ingaphakathi kwezwe but we regard them as foreigners kanjani abantu inside the country esibakankile kanje how come they become foreigners lezwe before besingenela nje uJob intaba eDrakensberg Mountain uLesotho na kanjalo nangale gibelo mashi kwele ngale namhlanje siyalwa sithi ama-foreigners uthi uyi-foreigner nje umuntu ngaphansi kwezwe lakho umuntu oswazini i-foreigner hayi bafika esibeni serious bese-ke umlungu osuka Australia hayi he's an investor uzo-investani yena ayibona imali yakhe ayikho kunalokho uzolutha umnotho la uzohlangana nalabo abanye abamlandile bavotelane bagcine i-Western Cape yabo sale kanjalo-ke lihambeke izwe
lawo ma-foreigner-ke niyobe seniwaqosha phi izwe lethu selihambile ngoba phela into yokuqala fanele besenza fanele besiqale siprotecta izwe lethu kuqala siliprotecte from labantu abafuna ukulithatha hhayi abantu abafuna ukuzohlala kulona bangalithathi ake siqale sifocuse kubantu abafuna ukusiphuca izwe lethu siqale silwe nabo kuqala bese siyabuya-ke sesizoklina-ke siklina kanjani vele izwe lithathwayo
ngiyayithanda-ke mina ngoba ngibona into enza lapha Cape Town sekuvuke ngisho abelungu
bavukile
abelungu sebejoyine thina-ke manje bantu bayibonile lento sebebonile ukuthi hayi bonaku bonakala uyahamba umhlaba asivale mama danko